I bought a cheap hot tub last winter, hoping for relaxing backyard evenings. Instead, it took 3 days to heat up, tripped my breaker twice, and popped a frustrating leak on day 4. Finding a budget hot tub that actually holds heat, fits your space, and won't deflate overnight is an absolute nightmare if you don't know what to look for. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 budget hot tubs that actually work as advertised. And stick around, because our number 1 pick completely changed my mind about what a budget tub can do. 5. Bestway SaluSpa Milan. When I first got my hands on the Bestway, I was genuinely excited to see how a budget-friendly inflatable would handle modern smart features. Setting it up in my backyard was relatively straightforward, requiring no tools and taking just about 45 minutes to get fully inflated and filled with water. The circular design is classic, and the material out of the box looked decent enough for casual weekend soaking. I filled it up, plugged it into my standard outdoor outlet, and waited for the heating process to begin, eager to test out its highly advertised smart capabilities. The biggest selling point of the Milan is its integration with the Bestway Smart Hub app, which I was eager to put through its paces. Being able to turn on the pump and set the temperature to a cozy 104 degrees while I was still sitting at my office desk was undeniably cool. The app itself is fairly intuitive, allowing you to control the massage system and the water filter remotely. When I got home, the water was perfectly heated, and the 140 air jets provided a surprisingly vigorous bubble massage that felt great on my tired muscles after a long day of work. However, the longer I tested the Milan, the more its limitations became painfully obvious, particularly when it came to heat retention during operation. The fundamental flaw with this model is that the heater and the bubble jets struggle to run effectively at the same time, especially if the outside air is chilly. I found that within just 15 minutes of turning on the soothing air jets, the water temperature would plummet by several degrees because it was constantly pumping cold outside air into the tub. 4. INTEX PureSpa Greystone. Unboxing this unit revealed a faux stone gray exterior that actually looks quite sophisticated on a patio, blending in much better than the typical bright blue inflatable tubs. The setup process was similar to the Milan, though the pump unit itself is noticeably bulkier. I appreciated the included ground cloth and the insulated cover, which hinted at better heat retention right out of the gate. One of the standout features I rigorously tested was the built-in hard water treatment system. If you live in an area with notoriously hard water like I do, this feature is an absolute lifesaver for your skin and the longevity of the tub's internal components. The water felt remarkably softer, and I didn't experience any of that itchy, dry skin feeling that usually follows a long soak in heavily chlorinated hard water. The bubble jets on the Greystone are also positioned well, providing a surrounding massage that felt evenly distributed across my back and legs. Despite these positives, my hands-on experience with the Greystone was marred by some highly frustrating technological quirks and setup headaches. Just like the Milan, this tub boasts Wi-Fi connectivity, but the INTEX app is notoriously unstable. During my testing period, the pump completely dropped its Wi-Fi signal at least 4 times, requiring a tedious factory reset process to get it talking to my phone again. Even worse, the control panel on the pump unit occasionally threw cryptic error codes that forced me to dig through the manual just to figure out why the heater had suddenly stopped working in the middle of the night. I also encountered some annoying physical drawbacks with the tub's structural integrity over the course of a week. 3. Aquarest Premium 300. Getting this unit delivered and situated in my yard was obviously more involved than unfolding an inflatable. But because it weighs just under 300 pounds empty, 2 people can easily slide it into place. The greatest relief was realizing it is entirely plug and play. I literally just filled it with a garden hose, plugged the GFCI cord into a standard 110V outlet, and it was ready to heat. No expensive electricians or 220V wiring required. Testing the Aquarest was a revelation compared to the previous 2 tubs because it offers actual hydrotherapy rather than just blowing air. This tub features 20 stainless steel water jets, which push pressurized, heated water directly into your back. The difference in muscle relief is night and day, Instead of just a tickling sensation from air bubbles, I was getting a genuine deep tissue massage. The dual-side air controls allowed me to dial in the exact water pressure I wanted, providing a customized soaking experience that completely justified the slight bump in price. The insulation and ambiance of this tub are where it truly shines in practical, everyday testing. Made from incredibly durable rotomolded plastic, it features full foam insulation that traps the heat effortlessly. Even on a freezing night, the heater easily maintained a scorching 104 degrees without breaking a sweat, and my electric bill barely noticed the impact. Adding to the vibe is the gorgeous LED backlit cascading waterfall, which provided a soothing visual and auditory backdrop that made my backyard feel like a high-end resort spa. Keep in mind that the Premium 300 is strictly a two-person tub, designed with a molded lounge seat and a traditional upright seat. It is an intimate setup, but for couples or solo soakers, it is absolutely perfect. 2. Bestway SaluSpa Hollywood. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't your standard budget spa. The setup is lightning fast, but what immediately caught my eye was the semi-transparent liner designed to showcase the included remote-controlled LED lighting system. I set it up just as the sun was going down, and once I turned on the lights, the entire body of water illuminated with a stunning, color-changing glow that instantly turned my deck into the ultimate nighttime hangout spot. What truly elevated the Hollywood during my testing phase was the inclusion of Bestway's Energy Sense cover. One of the biggest issues with inflatable tubs is heat loss through the thin walls and standard covers, but the Energy Sense material is significantly thicker and lined with an aluminum thermal coating. I monitored the temperature drop overnight in crisp weather, and this cover retained heat almost twice as well as the standard Milan cover. This meant the heater didn't have to work overtime, and the water was always ready and waiting for me without skyrocketing my utility costs. The massage experience is powered by 140 precisely placed air jets, and because the pump is noticeably upgraded on this model, the bubble action is incredibly robust. I found the digital control panel, which can be angled up for easy reading while you're seated, to be hyper-responsive and user-friendly. Being able to change the LED colors, adjust the temperature, and activate the jets without having to physically climb out of the tub made the whole experience feel exceptionally premium and relaxing. Space-wise, the Hollywood is generously sized, comfortably accommodating 4 adults without anyone having to awkwardly play footsie in the center. 1. INTEX PureSpa Plus. The unboxing experience immediately tells you that INTEX meant business with this model. It comes fully loaded with a thermal ground cloth, an insulated cover, 2 premium contoured headrests, and a multicolor LED light accessory. Setting it up was an absolute breeze, and the pump quietly and efficiently inflated the heavy-duty tub in a matter of minutes, leaving me completely stress-free from the start. The magic of the PureSpa Plus lies in its patented FiberTech construction, which I rigorously tested. Unlike traditional inflatables that feel like giant pool toys, the internal structure of this tub features thousands of high-strength polyester fibers. The result is a tub wall so incredibly rigid and sturdy that I, a full-grown adult, could literally sit on the edge without it buckling, sagging, or spilling water. This level of structural integrity gives it the premium feel of a hard-shell tub while retaining the portability and price point of an inflatable. Performance-wise, the PureSpa Plus knocked it out of the park. It features over 170 heated bubble jets, which is a massive upgrade that completely surrounds you in a cloud of soothing, warm pressure. Crucially, the air being pumped in is preheated, completely solving the temperature drop issue that plagued the cheaper models on this list. Furthermore, the built-in hard water treatment system worked flawlessly during my month-long test, keeping the water crystal clear, protecting the internal plumbing, and leaving my skin feeling incredibly soft. Ultimately, the INTEX PureSpa Plus is the absolute undisputed champion because it perfectly blends durability, luxury features, and flawless execution. The pump is whisper quiet, the heating is incredibly efficient, and the included headrests transform a basic soak into a deeply restorative ergonomic experience.